Hey everyone, as the title suggests, we have got the Redmi 14C here today. Let's do a quick unboxing, take a look at what inside the box and check out the phone for the first time. Alright, starting with the unboxing, we have the typical Redmi packaging here. So once we open the box, we get the Redmi 14C, which we'll get to in a moment. Underneath, there is a box which contains the documents, which has a user manual and warranty cards. Along with that, we get a transparent protective case. Below that, there is a USB-C cable. Depending on your region, you might find a 33 watts charger in the box, but in some region it's not included, so you may need to buy one separately. And finally, the SIM ejector tool. Now let's take a closer look at the device. The Redmi 14C comes in multiple colors including midnight black, dreamy purple, starry blue and sage green. It's got a unique texture on the back with a vegan leather that adds a nice grip. It does feel a bit hefty at around 204 to 211 grams, but that's understandable given the battery size and build. Moving to the front, we have a 6.8-inch dot drop display with a HD plus resolution of 1640 by 720 pixels. The colors are decent with 70% NTSC coverage, and it can get quite bright with 600 nits peak brightness. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate for a smoother scrolling and animations, which is pretty cool for a budget device. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor, coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. With support for memory expansion, this setup should be fine for a daily tasks, some light gaming and multitasking. It runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, and my initial impressions are that it feels fluid and responsive. I'll need more time to test it fully, but so far it seems capable for the price. Let's talk about the cameras. The Redmi 14C sports a 50 megapixel main camera on the back with a 5p lens and a decent f1.8 aperture. This setup should deliver some solid results in well-fit conditions, capturing good details and colors. There's also a depth sensor to help with those portrait shots, giving a nice background blur effect. For video enthusiastic, the rear camera can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, which isn't groundbreaking but should be more than adequate for social media and everyday video recordings. On the front, we have a 13 megapixel camera housed in the notch, and it comes equipped with several useful modes like HDR, night mode and a soft light ring to help you with the low light selfies. The front camera also supports 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, so you are covered for video calls and quick vlogs. Overall, the camera setup isn't pushing any boundaries. It seems functional enough for everyday use, whether that's snapping quick photos, shooting casual videos or video calling. So the next up is about its battery. Battery life is another strong point here. The Redmi 14C packs a 5160 mAh battery that should easily last you through a full day of use, maybe even more if you are a light user. It supports 18 watts fast charging, but remember, depending on where you buy it, the power adapter might not be included in the box. Make sure to check that before you buy. And I have no clue why there is a 33 watts charger when the phone is only capable of charging up to 18 watts. Anyhow, let's speaking about the other features. The Redmi 14C also comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor, AI face unlock and dual SIM support with expandable storage via micro SD card. There is NFC support, but it varies by region, so keep an eye out for that if it's feature for your need. For connectivity, it supports 4G network, Wi-Fi on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, Bluetooth 5.4, and it even has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming quite rare these days. So on screen, you can see the pricing of the Redmi 14C in Bahrain. As an introductory offer, for every Redmi 14C purchase, you will be getting a free earbuds from Fumi Audios. Along with that, you also stand a chance to win the Xiaomi's A55 series Google TV. This offer is valid until 6th of October and the draw date is on 13th of October. So those are my initial thoughts on the Redmi 14C. If you would like to see a full review covering all the aspects, then drop a comment below. I love to hear what you think of this device. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more interesting content like this, and hit the bell notification for future notifications. See you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish. Bye.